Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. In the last niche video I promised you if we hit 50 thumbs up on the last video, I will do the next hot Amazon KDP low content niche video for you guys. We achieved this goal, as you can see. We achieved 51 thumbs up, so a huge thanks to everybody. As I promised, in today's video, I will show you the next hot Amazon KDP low content niche. And again, if we hit 50 thumbs up on this video, I will do the next top secret Amazon KDP low and no content niche video for you guys. So hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future niche videos, and let us don't waste any more time and jump right into the video. So have fun and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So the niche today is the math workbook niche, especially as you can see on Amazon.com, addition and subtraction practice workbook first grade. As you can see, I selected the category books and we have only 2000 search results. So a very low competition. If we have a closer look on the BSRs for the books, you can see we have very good BSRs. So good BSRs, low BSRs means high demand. For example, this book, 60,000 BSR. 400,000, it's okay. 377,000, 11,000, 40,000, 35,000, 79,000. So very low BSRs. And this means to us 2000 search results, very low competition, low BSRs, so high demand, perfect gold nugget niche to make a good amount of money. If we do a little calculating thing, you can see the first book had a BSR of 60,000, so a BSR on Amazon.com of 60,000 means 76 sales per month, 5 sales per day. So don't sleep on this opportunity and create a good book, a good cover for this niche. I also did a little research on this keyword with PublisherRocket to see additional keywords, the search volumes, and the monthly earnings. If you're interested in PublisherRocket, I can highly recommend to you to purchase the software from this website. It only costs you $97. You never pay again. All the features, all the updates are in this price included, and you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if the software does not satisfy you, you will get your money back. If you want to get PublisherRocket, link in the video description. So as you can see, the average monthly earnings for additional keywords are very high, between $2,000 and $5,800 per month. You can see the estimated search volumes are between 600 and 2,800 searches per month. So don't sleep on this opportunity. Use the keywords for your title, for your backend, and then I'm sure you will make a good amount of money. Now the next thing, how can you create a very good interior with all the needed math equations? You can do the easy way, go to Creative Fabrica, use the all access plan for just a yearly amount of $79.99. Link is in the video description. Search for math addition or subtraction, and as you can see, you click on print on demand and you will have a ton, really a ton of different math equations, math additions, and there are so much offers. I'm sure you will find the right interiors for your book. So as I mentioned, purchase the yearly all access plan for $79.99. It costs you $6.50 per month, so very cheap, very good deal. Of course, you can do it on your own, for example in Canva or in PowerPoint. If you need that little inspiration for first grade math addition equations, you can just do a little research in Google. As you can see, I typed in first grade math addition and subtraction. selected to pictures, and as you can see there are a ton of inspirational pages, and you can use the equations, for example, to make your own interior in Canva or PowerPoint. Now I'm in canva.com. As you can see, it's very simple to do basic equations, additions, subtractions, and whole math workbook interiors on your own. Just get inspiration of Google, of different equations, and then use these equations in Canva. Type it in. As you can see, we have a 2-digit equation here or a lined equation here. You can create very good math workbooks in Canva on your own. Now we analyze the niche, very low competition, very high demand. We used PublisherRocket for our keyword research. You can use Creative Fabrica to create the interior very easy and fast, or you can create the interior in Canva on your own. The last thing we need to create is a cover. Again, you can create very good covers on Canva, or you can do the easy and cheap way. Go to fiverr.com, search for Amazon KDP book covers. And as you can see, for example, I have this guy. He's rated with 5 stars, 260 reviews. And as you can see, the covers are really, really good. And this guy only costs $50.80, so very, very cheap. Or this designer here, again, $50.80. Good, colorful kids covers. Or this guy, as you can see, he's specialized in mandalas, but also coloring books for kids. He costs only $10.50, so the cheapest version on Fiverr. I will link these 3 guys in the video description, so make sure you check those guys out. As you can see, $10 for a cover is very, very cheap. If we compare it to the sales calculator, you can expect 76 sales per month. If you have $2 or $3 in royalties, you're making between $200 and $300 per month. So $15 for cover is very, very cheap and worth the money. So this was it. A little niche video, a quick niche video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If we achieve again 50 thumbs up on this video, I will do the next hot Amazon KDP low content niche video for you guys. If you like the videos on my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think of this niche? Is it worth it to publish a book in it or not? I'm very excited for your answers. So I hope you liked the video. I wish you a very good day, and we will see you in the next video.